Hey guys, welcome back to Bradley Patchen. This is the first time ever my bike got rained on when I was riding. So it was really bad. Bike almost hailed. And
no, I mean it was worse.
yeah,
Okay?
it's
Guys,
more worse.
It was way worse.
Yeah. And right now our bikes are just drying up. That's my bike. It's drying up. That's that. Okay.
Hey guys, have you ever seen a kid doing orange justice? I mean, except for that orange kid guy.
A lot of people do orange justice.
Okay, please, enough.
Boys these days on Fortnite.